Okay, for the minuet in G, we put our right hand in middle C position, up to G, and we put our left hand, thumb on the very next note to the right hand, and run our fingers down on the consecutive white keys. Now, because it's in G, it means all the F notes will be played sharp, with our fourth finger in each hand. Okay, so we begin with finger 2 on the right hand, then we go to our left hand, 3, 2, 1, back to the right hand, 1, 2, and back to the left, 3, 3. So let's just run through that a little bit again. 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. Now we return to the right hand and we play finger 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the F is sharp, 4, 5, and go back to the left hand again, finger 3 and 3. Now back to the right hand again, 1, 2, 1, left hand, 1, 2, 1, right hand, 1, left, 1, 2, 3, F sharp 4, still on the left, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. So we run through that part again, 1 right, 2, 1 left, 1, 2, 1, 1 right, 1 left, 2, 3, F sharp 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, and a 2. Now the next part is exact repeat of the beginning again. 2 on the right, left hand, 3, 2, 1 right, 1, 2, go back to the left, 3 and a 3. Up to 3 on the right, 1, 2, 3, F sharp 4 and a 5, and down to the left, 3 and a 3. Back to the right again, 1, 2, 1 left, 1, 2, 1, 1 on the right, back to thumb on the left, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, F sharp 4, and finish on 3. So we'll just run through that last part again. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, right 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Okay, I'm going to run through the whole piece so you'll hear what it sounds like with a bit of practice.